Hey I want to learn something new about how toys work.
How toys work inside. Toys might look simple, but inside they have gears, wires, and switches that make them move, talk, or light up. The word gears means round parts with teeth that turn to make things move. Wind-up toys use gears to turn and move. Some toys have circuits that let electricity flow. The word circuits means paths that electricity follows inside machines. Switches tell a toy when to start or stop. Remote control toys use signals to move. Springs in toys store energy and then release it. Search online for more interesting facts about how toys work. Let's learn something new.